gonna do a little bit of rolling. I brought with me a few different types of rollers. This is the shortest one. There's also long ones that you can use lengthwise, and a mid-length one. They have multiple uses, but today we're just gonna use it for actually rolling out our fascia. And I like the ones with little knobs because I feel like they go a little deeper in my body, but most people that I work with like these flat ones just as well. These are probably the regular standard in terms of firmness. There are little softer ones that some of the people I work with have also enjoyed or prefer. So we're just gonna do the legs along the IT band, and then our backs and our glutes for today. Pick any side you want to start, and typically what you want to do is to get some release around the IT bands. You want to roll out the muscles connected to the IT band, so that would be in the front and then in the back. So supporting yourself with your one arm, making sure that you are connected through your lats. You can also be on your elbow. And then what you want to do is find the side hip, support with the other leg. You can go roll in front of it, kind of 30 degrees in front of it, and then just roll up and down. You can start right around the hip, and then you can work your way. You can move this down a little further. You can roll the whole length and just keep rolling. And if you find a spot that's particularly sore, go ahead and sit onto that and let gravity kind of help you, and then roll onto it. You might go side to side, you might go up and down. And then you can shift your weight so it's on the back slightly. And then same thing, you roll up and down. Do that. And then gently come off, and then just go on to the other side. So again, connecting to your lats, support leg in front, and then finding that diagonal and going in front of the IT band, so the line in front of the IT band. And then get to the back of the IT band, support leg goes behind. And then what I do once I'm done with the legs, I come off in front of it, and then I sit right onto the roller, support myself with my hands in the back, and then take one leg on top of the other like a number 4 stretch, and then I tilt my weight onto the glute of the lifted leg, and then I go up and down, right on the glute, yeah. And watch your shoulders don't sink into it. Be really strong in your upper body. And go connecting through your shoulder girdle. And then you can do side to side. If you find a spot, stay on there and breathe through it. And then you can stay here for as long as you want. I typically go on each spot for, and on the legs I do maybe up and down 15, 30 times, and then on the glutes similar. But I'm just trying to make this video be a very efficient video for you, so I'm not doing as many repetitions as I normally would for my own rolling out. Once you're done with both glutes, come back center, slowly come off in front of it, and then I start at the lower back. So then I go onto the lower back, support my head and neck with my hands, lace fingers. So a little bit of abdominal work here, and then I just roll up and down in the lower back, and then I move up to my mid back. And then wherever I find more tightness, I stay there a little longer. Good. My
continue to climb up into my shoulders. And once I'm here, I take the roller, keep it in line with the bottom edge of my shoulder blades, and then I go for a little thoracic extension. And here I use my hands to keep my neck nice and long. And go where you're comfortable, nice and slow. And then from here, I curl up and then go back down a few times, maybe like 5 times. Good. And then the last time I stay there, and then I lower my hips down, and then lift and down. The goal here is trying to get that thoracic extension. About 5 times. And then I keep my hips up, lift my head up. And then I go into the shoulder blades one at a time. So I do a little side bend to one side so that the opposite shoulder blade from where I'm bending is the focus. And then other side. So I will probably do about 3 on each side here. And then from here, once I'm done, I slowly lower my hips down and then let the foam roller come into my neck, and then allow myself to relax the torso and my hips in a nice neutral position, and then rock my head kind of in that low movement in the head, side to side, and get a really nice massage on my occipits. Yeah. And then just let gravity help me keep my neck nice and long. Take a few deep breaths. And that's the end of my own little rolling that I do about 3 times a week just to keep myself loose. You could also roll the front of the legs as well if you like, but I don't always get to that, or in my body I don't always need it. But the ones that I have shown in this videos are my go-tos for rolling. So hope that helps you. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time. Bye.